Can a spreadsheet make better hiring decisions than a human being? Right now, companies are betting millions that it can. Hi, I'm Anna Fong. Today, we're diving into why predictive analytics, dashboards, and compliance AI are taking over HR, and why the smartest leaders know data only wins when it's paired with human judgment. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss insights on leadership, scaling your business, and building stronger teams. According to Gartner, 70% of HR leaders are investing in data tools this year alone. Predictive analytics, dashboards, compliance tech are shaping how we plan workforces, reduce risk, and drive engagement. But here's the twist. Data doesn't hire people. People hire people. If you don't anchor your analytics in judgment, empathy, and experience, you're not building a workforce. You're just managing a database. At KENTECH, we combine real-time background screening with real human insight, because risk isn't just numbers, it's nuance. Want to reduce turnover? Predict it before it happens. Want true culture fit? Look beyond resume. Want compliance you can trust? Blend data with people who care. The leaders who'll thrive over the next 12 months won't be the ones with the most dashboards. They'll be the ones who know exactly when to trust the data and when to trust their gut. So here's the challenge. What's one HR decision you've made recently where data helped you, but your values made the final call? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to lead smarter and scale faster, you know what to do. Until next time, keep leading with vision and scaling with purpose. And don't forget, subscribe for more weekly insights to help you build stronger teams and a safer business.